All right, this game is called Grocery Rebound. What you need to do in this game is the husband will put on an apron and securing it around the waist with the ribbon securely, and the wife will stand along the line, and the wife will have a basket of ping pong balls. The wife will throw a ping pong ball to the husband's apron, and the husband will have to try to ricochet it into the grocery bag. And you've got to try to get one in each of your 3 grocery bags. Ready?
What are you waiting me for? Next to the wall. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh,